Continuity tests often seem like a quick answer, but they can miss hidden circuit faults that break down only under real load. This lesson reveals how those mistakes happen and walks you through better tests that actually prove circuit health. A simple continuity check only tells you if a wire conducts electricity when no current is flowing. But a circuit might pass this at rest and still be unreliable the moment real current is needed. True circuit health depends on the ability to handle voltage and current under operating load. To catch faults continuity tests miss, apply a load and measure voltage drop across the circuit while current flows. At each test point, the power feed, ground return, and across the load, a healthy circuit shows minimal voltage drop. If resistance is hiding in a connection or wire, abnormal drop appears only under load. This direct measurement gives proof, not guesswork. If continuity passes but the circuit fails under load, you've uncovered a hidden high-resistance fault, often a corroded connector or fractured wire. Symptoms can include codes, loss of function, or weird behavior that comes and goes. Only voltage drop under load links measurement result to real-world failure. Many techs chase intermittent or persistent faults, see continuity pass with an ohm meter, and assume the circuit is good. This leads to wasted time and money, often swapping out sensors or modules that are actually fine. The real fix comes from matching the test to the actual fault condition, loaded, not unloaded. Avoid the costly trap of trusting a continuity pass alone. Always confirm with a loaded voltage drop test at key points. Don't guess. Let your measurement prove the fault, and watch your diagnostic accuracy and repair rate improve. Thanks for watching. For more proven diagnostic strategies and clear explanations, check out the full STEP library and keep raising your repair game.